In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PHP version in cPanel. If you need your website to run on a different version of PHP, cPanel makes the process quick and straightforward. This is useful if you're updating your site for better performance, improving compatibility with a plugin or application, or switching to a version recommended by your developer or hosting provider. The key is to make the change carefully so you select the version that best fits your website. To begin, log in to your cPanel account. Once you're inside, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. cPanel organizes tools into sections, which makes it easier to find exactly what you need. Next, go to the software section and click Select PHP version. This is the area where you can manage which PHP version your hosting account is currently using. Depending on your hosting environment, the page may show the active version right away, along with a menu of other available versions you can switch to. When the Select PHP version page opens, find the drop-down next to Current PHP version. Click that drop-down to see the list of available PHP versions. From there, choose the version you want to use, such as PHP 8.2 or PHP 8.3. If you're not sure which one to pick, it's usually best to use a version that is supported by your website software and any themes, plugins, or custom code you rely on. Choosing a newer version can often give you better speed, security, and overall stability, but compatibility should always come first. After selecting your preferred version, click Set as Current. This applies the change to your account. In most cases, the update takes effect very quickly, so you won't need to wait long. Once the new version has been set, it's a good idea to check your website and make sure everything is working as expected. Visit a few important pages, test any key features, and confirm that there are no visible errors. If something doesn't look right after the change, you can usually return to the same area and switch back to a previous version. And that's it. You've successfully changed the PHP version in cPanel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.